read this. Levels of normalization. Okay. The levels of normalization based on the amount of redundancy in the database. Various levels of normalization are, you have first normal form, second normal form, third, BCNF, fourth normal form, fifth normal form. We also have domain key normal form. So you are expected after the training to be able to explain all these normal forms with examples, with advantages, with disadvantages. Crisp and clear. Okay. Now, the moment you increase the normalization from first to DCNF, what reduces? Redundancy. So higher is the normal form, less is your redundancy. But the number of tables will keep on increasing. Same means higher the normalization, the more the number of tables you have. Okay. And the complexity of the database will increase because you have more tables. So the complexity will increase. Are we clear on this slide?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, this slide explains that higher normal forms are subsets of lower normal forms, which means if a database is in third normal form, it is already in first normal form and second normal form. If a database is in fourth normal form, it is already in fourth, already in third, already in second, and already in first. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Are we clear on this concept?
Yes.
Yes,
Sir, there is one more normal form, BCN or something.
So that's not written in this diagram, which is between third and fourth. So between
After
third
third.
and fourth is BCNF. Okay?
Okay.
Now let's understand what is first normal form. Okay? A table is considered to be in first normal form if all the fields contain only scalar values as opposed to a list of values. See, when you're reading it, it sounds very simple. Yes or no? A table is to consider to be in first normal form if all the fields contain only scalar values. Look at this table below. ISBN number, title, author name, author phone, publisher name, publisher phone number, price. For this title balloon, there are three authors: Sleepy, Snoopy, and Grumpy. What is happening? In one row, I'm writing the name of all the three authors as a list, comma separated list. Which means in one field of one row, you are having more than one value. Same thing I'm doing with phone number. Even with phone number, I'm storing multiple phone numbers in the same row. So these two columns don't have scalar values, right? Which means this table is not in first normal. Correct? Yes. Okay. How do we convert it into a first normal form?
By sorting the
By decomposing the table into multiple tables. How did we decompose? In the first table, I have only ISBN, title, publisher name, publisher phone number, and price. I created one more table which has ISBN number, author name, and author phone. So if one ISBN has multiple authors, it will have 3 rows and 3 phone numbers. Second has 2, so 2 rows. Okay. So we split the table into 2 tables based on the primary key. So in this table, the primary key is ISBN, and this table, ISBN is basically like a foreign key. Okay. And we have multiple rows for the same ISBN.
Sir,
Yes.
can we call it as data sorting?
No. I'm not sorting any data here.
in the
I'm
data.
not
You are
using data.
simplifying, no, you are simplifying that data, no, so that we can, or that system can understand that data.
But don't use the word sorting. I'm not sorting anything.
Is it fragmenting?
No, not fragmenting. Fragmenting is like having empty spaces. I'm not fragmenting it. I'm just removing redundancy and making sure that each field has only one value. So this is make sure that each field has only one value. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So what I did, I placed all items that appear in the repeating group in a new table, which all types, author name and author phone number are actually placed in a new table. Designate a primary key for each new table produced. Duplicate the new table, the primary key of the table from which the repeating group was extracted. So what I'm duplicating here, ISBN is present in this table as well as in this table. Okay.
Sir, and one more question. If I want to, like in Excel, we have comment section, or we can merge that column. So can we do it here?
What do you mean by that? Just add a new
Means,
column as
there are
comment.
no. I don't want to say column comments, but there are three names into table. Okay, there are no scalar values. No. So what if I want to merge them all? So can I do that?
What is the meaning of merge? First tell me here. If you have three values,
You wanted
how do you
to
merge?
decompose, sir.
Like having three rows
Yeah.
in this table.
Yeah.
You can do that, yes. That way also it will make it in first normal form.
Okay.
Okay.
But is there any command like means how to do
But-
that? If I
No command. You have to delete the data and insert the data in that order. Okay.
okay.
But remember, if you do it the way you are doing it, you'll be creating a lot of redundancy. How many
Okay.
columns will repeat? 1, 2, 3,
Yeah.
4, 5. 5 columns will repeat
Yes.
multiple times.
Yes.
So redundancy in that way will be much more compared to this one. Here you are not repeating any columns. You are only repeating ISBN. But if you are doing the way you are saying it, you will be repeating title, publisher name, publisher phone, and price. 5 columns. And in this case, you are repeating only 1 column. Which one is better?
Okay.
So this is better, right?
Yes, sir.
Clear?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
So again, read the definition. First normal form. A table is considered to be in first normal form if all the fields contain only scalar
Scalar
values.
value.
Be ready to explain with an example. Consider we have a table, we have fields like this. It is not in first normal form because you have a field which has a list of values. To make it into a first normal form, we'll split this table into this two tables. First table will have this column, second table will have this column. Now you can see that all columns only have scalar values. Now these two tables are in first normal form. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Shall we move on or wait?
So wait, sir.
Yeah.
So in first table, ISBN is a